Hello, in front of me I have UMIDIGI F2 and I'm gonna show you how to change the keyboard language on this device. Let's start by opening the settings. To do it, just tap on this icon right here. Once in settings, let's scroll down and select the system. Here tap on languages and input, then select virtual keyboard, then select Gboard and tap on languages. As you can see, we have only one language right now on the list, but to change it we need to tap on add keyboard and add another language. Here we have list of languages. We can scroll down and up, find the language you like to use and tap on it to select it. For example, let's select Arabic. Now we need to select the region, for example Egypt. Here we can enable the keyboard layout or multiple if you want to, and then tap done. As you can see, we have two languages on the list now, and to make the Arabic one default we can just remove the English language from the list. To do it, just tap on the edit icon right here, the pencil icon in the top right corner, select the English language and tap the pen icon in the top right corner. Now let's go back to home screen, open something we can write in, and as you can see, the keyboard is in Arabic. You can also have multiple languages and switch between them quickly, and I'm gonna show you how to do it. So let's go back to the settings, add the English language back. Now we have two languages, and to switch between them, let's go back to Google. As you can see, the keyboard is in Arabic, and to change the language, just press and hold on the spacebar right here. This menu will open and you can select English, like that. You can also change the languages by just tapping this globe icon right here next to spacebar, like this. You can also open the menu and tap on language settings to go to this menu right here. And that's how you change the keyboard language on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.